I'm going to show you a quick video on varnishing your paintings. Now I have made my own varnish, so there is directions that you can get for this recipe. But I stir it up real good, make sure that it's all mixed up. And it is a little milky because I like a little bit more of a matte finish. One thing you must do is make sure that your painting is completely dry. I like to use sponge brushes because they can be thrown away. Now you can see that I am running my hand over my whole painting. You can have no wet paint when you brush on a varnish. Like I said, I use sponge brushes. I don't like to try to clean varnish out of brushes. It's just not my thing. But I just start applying the varnish, and I'm not pushing real hard, but enough just to move it over the whole painting. Keep going back and forth, back and forth. Making sure that I'm even, no puddles, smoothing it out. If I've missed spots, I'll maybe grab a little more varnish. Just getting a nice even coat. It's not puddling up and it's not super thick. I'll usually swing back and forth a few times just to make sure that it's all even. If you have little thick pieces of paint, it can have a tendency to grab it. So this helps even it all out. You can see where it's very even. If you hold it in certain angles, you're able to see your varnish good. Now the finished product won't look that shiny as it shows in this video. It's wet right now, but this varnish that I have mixed up has a little bit of wax in it that gives it a more satin, flatter finish. I've just found that the lights in galleries and museums don't always help. If your surface is real shiny, you can see what it does as I turn this different directions, how you can get a glare. Just looking for any puddles, maybe where it might be thicker than other spots. There you go. Quickly dries, a couple hours and you're done. Put it in a dust-free environment while it's... Alright, I hope you found this helpful. Now you know how to go and varnish all those beautiful paintings of yours. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some likes, and I appreciate it. Thank you.